In the previous video, I took one of these farting ninja toys with the light sense that makes farting noises when you walk in front of it, and I applied 240 volts across its 4.5 volt battery contacts, and rather unsurprisingly, it went bang, and I thought you might like to see the aftermath. So let's zoom down a bit and see what happened inside. So there's the circuit board and speaker. They are toast. Well, the speaker's not toast, but the circuit board is. And if we open it up, you can see that inside it has been metal plated in certain areas where the arc flash happened, especially around the switch. The wire, the power wire, blew off completely, which is also not much of a surprise. And if we take a look at the circuit board and speaker, I've got some scaled up images here. So I'll zoom out a bit for this, and I'll focus down onto them. If we take a look at the speaker, it's an 8-ohm speaker. It is covered in a sooty skid mark, but when I tested the impedance, it does still show as being an 8-ohm speaker, so the speaker has survived. The circuit board that drives it has not survived. If we take a look at it, we can see that's where the power leads come on. That's where all the missing tracks are. That's the output to the speaker, and they've got an option here of a standard soldered on chip or a cob chip on board, where it's bonded onto the circuit board, linked with little wires, and then covered in a blob of black resin. The black resin had been shattered into pieces, and there is no chip under there. It's literally been blown completely off the circuit board. So sadly, this particular farting ninja will never fart again.